Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I upload videos about binary option trading. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to take a trade for a short time period during a retracement in a downtrend. So, let me draw here a support key level. On this support level, here market retracement will give us opportunity to upward direction trade. This strategy is useful for traders who are looking for profitable trading opportunities in a bearish market. I will place a trade for 5 minutes time frame. First, let's understand what a retracement is. A retracement is a temporary reversal in the price movement of an asset. In a downtrend, a retracement is a temporary upward movement in price before it resumes its downward trend. Traders can take advantage of this temporary upward movement to make a quick profit. The first step in this strategy is to identify the downtrend. You can do this by looking at the price chart and identifying a series of lower highs and lower lows. Once you have identified the downtrend, look for a retracement. This is a temporary upward movement in price that should be lower than the previous high. Once you have identified the retracement, wait for a confirmation that the price is going to continue the downtrend. This can be a bearish candlestick pattern or a price level that acts as resistance. Yes, whenever you see the market stopping at an excellent support line during a downtrend, this means that if the market starts to go back for some time, you can get a great opportunity to trade to the upward direction for 3 minutes or 5 minutes at this point. But it is important to understand the market behavior first. That is, if there is a lot of fluctuation in the candles, avoid placing trades in such a situation. Here you can see that the market is in a good momentum right now. That's why I took the trade after confirmation at this support level, and I hope this trade will prove to be a good profit. Well, keep one more thing in mind. As the support level has been respected here, the market has formed 2 blush candles. Then 2 correction candles have been formed by the market. Our entire trade is based on the formation of these 2 candles. Understanding the market movement requires more and more practice. And for practice you are given balance by each broker's in demo account, so that you can get an opportunity to practice well. I hope you will benefit from the points I have tried to explain in this video. Watch the video thoroughly and carefully. It will also help you to understand the market movement. If you like the video, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Finally, taking a trade for a short time period during a retracement in a downtrend can be a profitable trading strategy. Remember to identify the downtrend, wait for confirmation. If you follow these steps, you can increase your chances of making a successful trade. Dear traders, if you want get binary option free signals, you can get link below in description. watching, and happy trading.